Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the English e-learning platform. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the new poem, that is Grandpa Dropped His Glasses. So, dear students, what is the name of the poem? Grandpa Dropped His Glasses. Okay, this is the poem about grandpa who dropped his glasses. So, what do you think happened when grandfather wore purple colored glasses? So, glasses means here spectacles. Okay, so chasma we can say in Kannada. Okay, Kannadaka. So, let me recite the poem and then explain. Grandpa dropped his glasses once in a pot of dye, and when he put them on again, he saw a purple sky. Purple fires were rising up from a purple hill. Men were grinding purple cedar at a purple mill. Purple Adeline was playing with a purple doll. Little purple dragonflies were traveling up the wall. And at the supper table, he got crazy as a loon from eating purple apple dumplings with a purple spoon. Leroy F. Jackson. So, dear students, in the first stanza, Grandpa dropped his glasses once in a pot of dye, and when he put them on again, he saw a purple sky. So, this man, you can see here, so this man is the no here. So, as you can see here, is called grandfather. He is known as grandpa. Okay, so he is the main character of this poem. So, what he did? He wore his glasses. You can see here. Okay, he wore his glasses. Okay, dear students, let me. Okay, he wore his glasses. So, glasses means spectacles. Okay, by mistake, he dropped his spectacles in a pot of dye. So, dye means, do you know what is meant by dye? Dye means a material that is used to change the colors of something. So, we say dye. So, it was put which had color in it. And when he took them out and wore them again. So, what happens? By mistake, he dropped his spectacles or glasses in a pot of dye. So, it was put which had color in it. And when he took them out and wore them again, he saw that the sky was purple in color. Now, why was sky in purple color? Because the dye, okay, the color was in purple. Okay, now men were grinding purple cedar at a purple mill. Purple Adeline was playing with a purple doll. So now, if you look in the picture, purple fires were rising up from a purple hill. So now, if you look in this picture, there are hills. Okay, there are hills. Here you can see here. Okay, there are hills, and from there smoke was rising. Smoke was rising up. So now, because the dye was purple and the spectacle fell in that, and spectacles also were in purple. Now, so when he looked at the hills, they were purple, and the smoke that was rising up from the earth, so was also purple. and a few men and a few men were working at a purple mill, and they were grinding cedar. So what they were grinding? They were grinding cedar. So cedar means a drink made from the juice of apple. So apple juice. We say apple juice. So they were making apple juice. They were okay. Grandpa could see there were few men who were working. So they were mixing apple juice at a purple mill. Okay. Next, Purple Adeline was playing with a purple doll. Little purple dragonflies were traveling up the wall. And at the supper table, he got crazy as a loon from eating purple apple dumplings with a purple spoon. So, if you see in this picture, dear students, if you see in this picture, there is a girl. Okay, her name is Adeline. What is her name? Her name is Adeline, and she has a doll. Okay, so she has a doll in her hand. She was playing with it. Now, it is said that the girl is purple. The girl is also purple because again the spectacles fell into the dye and it turned out to be purple. Okay, so there were little dragonflies. Dragonflies means small insects. Okay, which we can see, which we see in the rainy season. Okay, so there were little dragonflies. Here you can see here. There were little dragonflies. They were climbing up the wall. So they were crawling up the wall or climbing up the wall. So the grandfather was at the supper table. So supper table means a table where we eat food. Okay. So he got crazy as a loon. Loon means a foolish person. So he got crazy because he could see everything in purple. He could see everything in purple color. So from eating purple apple dumplings, so dumplings, apple dumplings means a dish made from apples. Okay, so eating purple apple dumplings, now he ate apple dumplings which he liked a lot, and he ate them with a purple spoon. He ate with a purple spoon, and the spoon was also in a purple color. So dear student, this is all about the today's poem. Now let us discuss the rhyming words in this poem. So dye, it is rhymes with sky. Okay, hill rhymes with mill, and doll rhymes with wall, and loon rhymes with spoon. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of rhyming words in this poem. So I hope, or basically in the poem we get to know about the experience of grandfather wearing purple dye spectacles. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood very well, and please read the poem line by line and recite it with the correct pronunciation, stress and intonation. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss these poems exercise. Okay, thank you dear students, thank you very much.